What's going on, everybody? It's Wesley here at the Trading Post. We got another ripping video today. A customer brought these in. We bought them. Normally we set them out for sale, but we thought, hey, it's Easter season. Why not just rip them instead? So we got the 2026 Topps baseball Easter egg tins. We're gonna rip these guys and see if there's any goodies in here. We're gonna have to pull out the knife. Pretty cool inside how they have that. It's pretty cool. As always, I've just washed my hands with Dawn Power Spray. I got my top loaders ready to go. Nothing's jumping out at me. Bubba Chandler rookie card. Nothing's sticking out yet. Rookie card. Jonah Tong rookie card. Another rookie. Nick Kurtz. Profiles Ken Griffey Jr. Huh. What we got here? What do we got? This must be where the real ones are at, right? How are we gonna do this? We're gonna flip it. Kyle Tucker, Fernando Tatis Jr., Cody Freeman, Fernando Tatis Jr. again. I'll have to look these guys up. These must be the chase cards. All right, here we go. Next one. I really do like these tins. These tins are pretty cool how they do these things. Right off the rip, second card's a rookie. Cole Young rookie. Brady House rookie card. Roman Anthony rookie card. Alex Freeland rookie. Another rookie card. It's pretty cool. Future Stars. It's got the rainbow on it. Got Otani on it. Ellie De La Cruz. He's always hot. All right, here we go. That's cool. It's got like the leaves in the background on those. Gonzalez rookie card. So there it is. This is why we don't gamble, guys.
Buddy, I think that's part of the AAA Cuban team.
It's MLB, dude. Oh, this is the major league.
Never heard of any of these guys.
This is not like the Indianapolis Indians.
But you're right. That is way cooler than the cards.
That's cool.
Not bad for AAA. I don't think there's any winners in there.
Nope. We'll all be here because we didn't secure our retirement.
That's true.